Hello, my name's Scott Gooding. I'm here on behalf of Channel NT, and today we are going to talk about auditions, how to get them, what to do in them, and how to achieve them, and how to deal with if you don't. I have been an actor and director in Australia now for 30 years. I've travelled internationally, I've performed internationally, I've seen a lot of auditions, I've done a lot of auditions, and this is some of my experience, some of my expertise in regards to how to get that audition, what to do in that audition, and then how to deal with it after, either good or bad. In my time, I have seen hundreds, thousands of people audition for me. Some have been great, some have been ordinary, and some have been truly awful. And that's okay. I once saw someone audition and she spent the whole time like this. All I saw was the top of her head. I've also done some truly dreadful auditions myself. But today we're going to look at what are some of the tips and tricks, what are some of the preparations you can do, and this will span both open auditions, so if you're going for a university course or if you're going for a general call, and more specific play auditions. Northern Territory at the moment is amazing for all the live art that is happening, all the opportunities, and it's just wonderful that I'm here with Channel NT and able to give some of my experience, some of my expertise to really help the future theatre makers achieve their goals. So join me, Scott Gooding, on this Channel NT workshop series about auditions from wherever you are in the Northern Territory.